welcome to the shop. Well, I've got another Hacker box unboxing, and as you can tell with the number right there, it's an older one. I actually got several of these. I've got 21, 22, and 23. This is Hacker Tracker, Track My Hack. Obviously I've already opened these. I wasn't actually going to do an unboxing, but I figured, I don't think there is an unboxing of any of these. And that being said, I have taken some things out. Like I've already taken the stickers out and put them on my toolbox, and I think I took all the USB cables out because I've got a whole drawer of USB cables and stuff. But I still thought this might be kind of cool to do this. So that's in case you're new to the Hacker boxes, the older boxes came in a white box, and they came with these basically like a trader's card type thing, and like this one has a Nano V3 on it and has the pin layout, and then the other boards or modules that are inside will have usually a pin out. The newer ones don't have it. You just go on to the Instructables. I kind of miss these things in a way, but I kind of understand why they got rid of them, because I'm sure these things are probably pretty expensive to manufacture, even though it's just a piece of card or card stock. But be surprised how expensive printing is. So yeah, let's get this thing open. As I said, I've already cracked it open before, so and most of the stuff's already out of here, so I'm just gonna kind of read it off to you what's supposed to be in here and show you the modules, because I haven't opened up everything. But like I said, this came with some a jumper set, and I've already taken them out, but it came with the jumper set. As I already showed you, it had a Arduino Nano V3, which I have already put the pins on. I've already soldered the pins and stuff on it. One of the cool things about this is it says Hacker Tracker, and for a reason it's a GPS module. So that's pretty cool. And it is a Neo 6M GPS module with integrated antennae. This is actually a pretty cool little thing here, if it'll focus. It's a little tiny micro SD. I always have a hard time getting this, but it's also a reader, so you get a decent little micro 16-bit USB, plus you can read and write with it straight to it. It's just a little tiny sucker. I love it. It's perfect size. That's awesome. And as I said, I've already put the headers on everything. This is a what is it? A 3-axis magnetometer, GY-273. It came with a micro USB reader module, really nice. And it does also come with the micro USB cable. Let's see, get everything here. I forgot I already took this out. This is one of my favorite things from this, is printed circuit board ruler. I really like this, but this came out of there. So it also comes with the micro USB cable. I already showed you the card adapter and a solderless breadboard. One of these things. and the jumper set wires. And it also came with a decal, which I can't remember which decal it came with. I've already, like I said, I already put it up on my toolbox over there. So yeah, this one's really cool, man. I can't wait to play with this one. I can't wait to play with all the ones I haven't played with, but this one here is really interesting. Yeah, thanks for watching.